Good morning from Drayton Manor.
I'm Jade.
I'm Stu.
And we are
the Coaster Caravan.
This is a family establishment. You stop that laughing right now. It's quite right. It's not right.
First time here at Drayton and we're really looking forward to it.
We've brought some friends along with us. So you may remember these two from last weekend at Blackpool. So we've got Ant, actually remember his name for once, last time on deck. And we've got Elle.
Hi.
And they're joining us for our first reactions. So our first ride of the day is Gold Rush. We're heading there now. Let's see what it's like.
Looking forward to it.
We're going to do try and get the two cycles today. So one in the morning and we'll go on again later this afternoon, to see what it's like.
We'll tell you which one's better and which one we prefer.
Time for Gold Rush.
So we've just been for our first ever ride on Gold Rush. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. And looking forward to seeing what the other cycle's like. What did you think?
I liked it. We got cycle one. It was very tame, but it is a pleasant ride. I enjoyed it. Not as fast as I thought it would be, but still pleasant. Right, what we're going to ride next?
Might see about the wave.
Decided to put them in jail.
So that was
Right,
first.
guys, what do you think?
Yeah, it was alright. It was a good family coaster.
Definitely was a good family coaster.
Looking forward to seeing what the second cycle has to offer because it was a bit slow.
Yeah, it might warm up throughout the day, hopefully, and
Yeah.
I think the second cycle will be good.
Yeah.
For the wave. We've just been on the wave, and it is a wave because it's wet.
Yeah.
Very wet.
It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. It'd be better if it wasn't raining so I could actually see. So we'll try it again later, get a better impression.
I enjoyed it. It's very smooth. I was not expecting it to be as smooth as it was. It was quite forceful. Really enjoyed that ride. It took me by surprise, that, especially with those lap bars. It's great. Anyway, what did you guys think of it?
So what did you think?
I really enjoyed it actually. I wasn't sure on the restraints, like when we sat down I thought, oh, don't know how I feel about this. But they were really good, and like despite being on front row I thought we got some really good airtime, which I wasn't expecting.
Yeah, to be honest, I thought I was going to yeet out that seat for a second, so... But no, it was a lot better than when it was a stand-up coaster. I came when I was about 13, 14, and the inhaler breath from the male people on there was not fun. But that was much better, much smoother, and it was a good laugh. Just wish I could see more of it.
Yeah, it'd be good to get on it again if it stops raining, hopefully. But yeah, enjoyed.
Yeah.
Right, time for a ride on Maelstrom. All four of us have just landed in this puddle. Great fun.
Just in case.
We've just been on Maelstrom twice.
It was a lot of fun, I enjoyed it. Short cycle, but good fun.
Great fuss at the top there, bit of airtime. Looking forward to Invictus
Invictus.
at Blackpool. Can't wait for that. If it's anything like that, Be really good.
Really enjoyed that, but it was a short cycle.
Yeah, the cycle was quite short, but I thought it was really good, and I was actually really surprised at the amount of airtime you get at the top. I thought it was really interesting.
But I will
Enjoyed
say
it.
the dispatch time took longer than the actual ride, so
Yeah.
that was my one complaint of it.
But it was
an ongoing theme, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Dispatch times of rides have been very slow.
Yeah, it has been a bit slow today, but
It's like there's a flood of people, like the flood over there.
stop it. Take that out. Ooh.
Yep, thoroughly enjoyed it though, we'll do it again.
Yeah, defo.
Right, time for round 2. Now it's stopped raining.
Oh.
The wave.
Just been for our second go round on the wave, back row. That was really fun. I enjoyed that a lot. You just fly out of the seat on those inversions.
You do. I thought it was
Yeah.
going to fall out at one point. Fantastic. Really unexpected ride. That was a pleasant surprise for the day. And it stopped raining, which is even
we could
better.
see, yay.
Yay! I think we're going to go and get some food now and have a nice snack because we are all
time.
hungry. We've had dinner. Now time for the train. Choo choo!
We've just been on the Drayton Manor Express. Choo choo. What did you think?
It was okay. It went round in a circle, and that was it.
It was so intense.
We got some nice views of the back of stage of the park, but yeah, it was okay.
Yeah.
Right, what are we going on next, guys?
Accelerator.
Accelerator.
Right. Accelerator, here we come. Vroom, vroom. We've just been on Accelerator, a nice little family boomerang, same as the one at Paulson's Parks.
Yeah.
Enjoyable.
It was fun, yeah. I'd just love to do a bigger version and see what that's like, because, yeah, there's just no real force to it, to be honest.
No. You think there is going to be when you're up on the drop, but then just nothing. Yeah. What did you guys think?
Well, I heard those type of rides are making a comeback. Boomerangs.
Oh, honestly, it's bad, isn't it?
But no, it was a bit lacklustre in power, but a good family boomerang.
Yeah,
Good laugh.
it was good fun. Just,
Yeah.
I think when you're used to like bigger thrills, sometimes you want that little bit more force. But it was good fun.
Yeah, it was a good laugh. Yeah, enjoyed.
Now time for Viking Land. Let's crack this. Jotmunganda?
Sabnaganda?
Yeah. If anyone knows how to pronounce it, please put it in the comments, because we don't have a clue. We've just been on Jormungandr. Yes, we learned how to pronounce it from the ride up.
Yeah. We were clueless beforehand, but now we know. We had 2 back-to-back rides on that.
Nice little powered kiddies ride.
Yeah.
That's about all we have to say about it, really. It was a bit rough on some of the transitions, but I suppose if you are a child, it wouldn't matter.
Yeah. Cute, nice theming. Yeah, nice.
What about you two? What do you think?
Intense. What can I say? No, just a good family coaster. It was a good laugh.
Yeah.
But my knee has taken a beating, so if you are a fully sized adult, just be aware of that.
No, I like that. I thought it was a really good family coaster. Great theming, like throughout the queue line and the ride. Yeah, I think if you're a little one, you definitely really enjoy it.
Now we're going to have a look at Loki, the Zamperla. What's it? Zamperla? What's the? Yeah, Nebula. That's it. Thank you. Zamperla Nebula. Let's see what this is like. So we've not ridden one of these before, and they look very interesting off-ride. Loki, the god of mischief. We've just been on a ride on Loki. I enjoyed it. It's a nice ride. Not very forceful, but there's a few forces there at the top. Big shout out to some fans of the channel who met us off the ride. Unfortunately, we are really rubbish with names, guys. I'm really sorry. We might try and catch you a bit later though, and get you on.
Yeah, it was lovely to meet you. I hope you're having a great day.
What did you think about Loki?
I enjoyed it. It's like a forward sidekick sort of vibe thing. Whatever that means. But yeah,
really know.
It was nice.
And what did you two think of it?
Pleasantly surprised by Loki. It was low-key a good ride.
I really enjoyed it. I actually thought it was such good fun. It might be one of my favourites here. Like, I thought it was really good.
Yeah, really, really surprised. Like, I was coming out of my seat and doing just fine.
Hi,
What are your names?
my name's Laura. My name's Eleanor. Pardon?
What did you think of the ride?
It's alright. The only one on it to it's quite good actually. It was a bit embarrassing. But my horse didn't have any sound on it.
Oh, didn't it?
But I still liked the ride. It was funny. Yeah.
What did you think of Loki before?
Pardon?
What did you think of Loki before?
That one's really good, yeah. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, it gives you.
That one too, yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
It gives you this really weird tummy feeling when you go on it. Yeah. It was really fun though. Yeah.
Good. Well, thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you very much for your reviews. And we'll see you around.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye.
Disco, 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 disco. Time for 4. Jade's favourite ride type.
Disco, disco. Woo-woo.
It's gorgeous, isn't it, this land?
So that's us just come off for Disco Disco. What did you think?
I really enjoyed that actually. I did quite like the hump in the middle. I thought it was a little bit different because I've not been on one like that before. But yeah, I thought it was good fun.
Yeah, getting over the hump took a while, to be fair.
It did.
When we found it out, I was like, yeah, I finally done it. But highly recommend.
Yeah, good fun. What do you guys think?
You know Jade's thoughts on discos.
I love a disco.
My thoughts, it's not as forceful. The one at Blackpool's a lot more forceful, and I prefer it without the hump because it does detract from it for me. But if you've not been on it, it's a nice experience for you too, definitely. But we've been on a couple of the hump now, haven't we? And I just
honestly enjoy any disco. So, I'm happy.
There you go.
Happy days.
girl. That's all she needs: food, water, and disco. Right, I think we're going to go for a break now and then head to our next ride. Time for
We've just been for a ride on the Haunting, the Vacoma Madhouse. That was weird. I was expecting more from that. At the end, like some doll just pops up and yeah, it could have screamed or something, I guess.
yeah.
Very bizarre.
I enjoyed the pre-show more than I enjoyed the ride. We like to be positive on this, but I can't be positive about that. To quote a little girl as she came off it, that was boring. And a waste of time, and she didn't want to do it ever again. And I agree, it's nice, good that we've done it, but no. The pre-show was better, and I thought, great, pre-show like this, it's going to be a fantastic ride. You've got this massive sort of coffin, crypt thing in the middle, so anyone in the middle can't see the other side, and then all that happens is this little weird doll married bride thing pops up, doesn't even move, and then pops back down, shuts, and that's the end of the ride.
Yeah, no screaming, no terror. Woo.
Audio is rubbish. It's just, Hex is still the best forgotten madhouse, I think, in the world.
Yeah.
So yeah. Right, what did you guys think of it?
Similar, unfortunately. The pre-show was great, build up the suspense, and then it finishes with a not much to say.
No, I thought the same. I was really excited in the pre-show. I thought, oh, this looks fantastic, and then the actual ride itself was really disappointing. I normally feel a bit motion sick on those types of rides, and I didn't on that, so that probably indicates how much of a disappointment it was, really. A bit disappointed.
Yeah, Hex is far superior, even with all the disco elements. It just creates a better vibe on the ride, and you actually feel the motion, whereas you didn't on there.
Yeah, a bit disappointed.
Time for round 2 on Gold Rush to see if you can get the second cycle and see what that's like. And that, I think, classifies as an extra credit, doesn't it?
I'd say so, yeah.
So yeah, get an extra credit in there. We've just been on Gold Rush again.
And we didn't get the second cycle.
Now, unfortunately, it looks like they are just running cycle 1 today, so we'll have to come back and get cycle 2.
Yeah, that's so disappointing. I was really looking forward to just seeing how different it was from cycle 1, but hey, so the cookie crumbles.
We did get the back row, and it was running a lot faster, so we did enjoy it a bit more, actually. It was a good ride. What did you two think?
Obviously a bit disappointed not to get cycle 2, but yeah, at the back you'd feel the speed more. It was a good laugh of a coaster.
Yeah, it was. I enjoyed it. Same as this morning, really. I had a good time. Just a bit disappointed not to get cycle 2, but
It's what it is.
it is.
Blasting bowels.
Sounds fun.
It looks fun. Let's have a go at this. See what it's like. Well themed, give them that. Hope no one's a smoker. Time
For a ride on a race.
This may be our last ride of the day because it looks like the rest of the park is shut because of an incoming thunderstorm. We will see when we get off this.
just been for a fly on her race. That was interesting.
It was interesting. It held us upside down for quite a long time, actually.
Yeah.
I had to just get a bit dizzy after that, but I enjoyed it. It was
Feel
a
a
good
bit weird.
ride. Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah, definitely. What did you guys think of it?
It was a bit more thrilling than I was expecting it to be. I did not expect to be held upside down for that long, but
No, I didn't either actually, but I really enjoyed it. I thought it was good fun.
yeah, it was really good fun. But I was generally come off thinking, oh my god, I'm really dizzy.
Yeah. I feel like if you don't like rides that sort of go upside down and spin a lot, there's
It's
quite
not for
a lot
you,
of them
yeah.
at this park.
Yeah,
But I really enjoy them, and I wouldn't normally go on them, but I've loved them today.
yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
Thoroughly enjoyed.
Enjoy.
So now we're going to go on the wave swinger whilst it's open. Could go on Stormforce 10 though, guys. Stormforce 10?
Absolutely not.
No? No? Okay,
You asked me
that's
that
a no.
question this morning, I would have said yes, but no.
No.
I'm dry. And it's a no.
So that's a no to Stormforce 10. So it's the wave swinger, another spinny ride. We've just done our first wave swinger. I enjoyed it, a nice pleasant spin. I'm a bit dizzy after it.
It was nice, the wind blowing through my hair, chill. Yeah, it was nice.
That's all you can say for it, it's a wave swinger.
Yeah.
Right, I think we've got time for one last ride. Hopefully the wave is open. If not, then I don't know what we're going to do. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Take you along.
We'll get back to you on that one.
It's a classic theme park attraction. Does the job. Just a pleasant experience, really.
Yeah, I like it. I just think it's a nice chill time. I just really enjoy it.
So me and Ant have just done Maelstrom again because everything else was closed. What do you think?
It was great, except for the other people on there.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, there's a few screamers.
Yeah, the airtime was fantastic. Absolutely great.
It was great. Right, the park is now closed, so we're going to go to the shop because Jade, of course, wants a burr.
I want my Drayton Manor Bear for the collection.
Yeah. So we're heading there now, and then we'll wrap up
Give you our thoughts for
in
the
a
day.
bit. Bit of a disappointment. We've just finished our day and thought, right, we'll go and get the burr for Jade from one of the shops, and unfortunately, well, I'll let you tell them.
Well, they've closed all the shops, and I've never been to a theme park before where they shut all the shops before the park's even shut. Because people like us like to wait until the end of the day and then have a look around the shop, maybe pick something up.
Yeah.
So
I don't understand it. It's people leaving the park get the souvenirs then because they don't want to lug them around the rest of the park all day. So it was a bit disappointing because we really wanted that burr. So unfortunately, we won't get it till next year now. Yeah.
yeah,
However, it's their loss.
yeah. Make a bit of extra money at the end of the day.
Yeah. Oh well. suppose not every park can be perfect.
True. Quick update. We decided to pop into the hotel on the way through to check to see the gift shop was open. It wasn't, but the guy from reception kindly opened it, and now we have the Drayton Manor berth.
So it turned out from disappointment to, well, they turned it around. So
Yeah.
well on Drayton Manor. Kudos to the person working at the hotel reception. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Jade is now as happy as Larry as always.
I need a berth from every theme park, and now Drayton Manor is completed. That ends our day at Drayton Manor. And it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. Probably not somewhere we would come regularly, but yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It's a great little park. Emphasis on little park. It's not as big as the YouTube videos and other videos lead you to believe, but it is a nice little family park. And you know what? It's value for money as well. So the cost we had, we did book 7 days in advance, was it was worth it. It was good value for money.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm just watching Elle and Ant
Fighting a wasp.
fighting a wasp.
Again.
But yeah, we enjoyed it. We enjoyed it, and we met some really nice people and some fans of the channel, so big shout out to you guys. It really made our day meeting you. So thank you. Right, now over to Ant and Elle to see what they found to the park.
For the Wasp Watch here. You know what, it was a great little park. There's enough to fill your day, but I would never say you need more than 1 day a season. We were discussing possibly getting the season pass. I don't think it's needed, unfortunately.
No, I think if you've got a family, it would be great. I think there's lots of rides aimed for like the little ones, but perhaps for sort of like older kids and like just groups of adults probably wouldn't do more than 1 day a season. But I did enjoy it. It was a good day.
Yeah, it was a good laugh, some good rides, some good coasters.
Yeah.
What's not to love?
There you go. General consensus, it's a nice little park for families.
Yeah. Well, we hope you've enjoyed the video.
And enjoyed the ride. I've been Stu.
I've been Jade.
I've been Ant.
And I've been out.
And we are the Coaster Caravan. Bye. Right, what did you two think of it? Oh, there's a wasp there, watch out.
They're all after me, they're all after me.
Yeah.
I thoroughly enjoyed it, I just wish it was a longer
Take two.
Oh my god. Gone, we're good.
I'm well, aren't we?
Oh yeah. Dead cool.
Yeah, we'll pull it in. We've just done a train.
We've just done a train.
We've just done a train. We're on the train. We're around the train. Been naughty, so we locked them in the stocks. Good morning from Paulton's Park.
No, Paulton's. That ends our day at Paulton.